Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the stopwatch on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100 module 5611. So this is going to work for all Casioak models. So when you are in your home screen, what you want to do is to press the mode button 2 times in order to arrive at the stopwatch. Here you can use the start button in order to begin. Press it one more time in order to stop, and also press the adjust button in order to reset. Now this also has the split time option, so we are going to start, then I'm going to press the adjust button this time. You can see here a small SPL that is being displayed, so now the stopwatch is running in the background. So if I press the adjust button, it is going to continue, as you can see, 15 seconds, 16 seconds, and so on. Now I'm going to stop it, reset it, and the third option is to actually record the first place and the second place. So what you want to do is to start the stopwatch, and as the first runner goes past, so through the finish line, you are going to press the adjust button, and when the second runner goes through the finishing line, you are going to press start. Now as you can see, the stopwatch has frozen, and you can actually read the first runner's time. Then after you have done so, you are going to press the adjust button, and you are going to see the second runner's time. You can note that down, and if you press the adjust button, it is going to reset to 0. So these are the functions that you can actually use on your stopwatch on your GA-2100. In order to arrive at the home screen, you are going to press the mode button until you see time displayed right here. Then it is going to go to your home screen where you have the time displayed. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to use the stopwatch on your Casioak, so the GA-2100. We have a bunch of other tutorials on this exact model, so make sure to check them out on our YouTube channel. If you enjoy this type of content, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.